The U.S. Army has just fielded its first laser weapon-equipped unit, possibly the first of its kind in the entire world. Based at Fort Sill, Oklahoma, the unit took possession of 4 laser-equipped Stryker infantry combat vehicles, each mounting a 50-kilowatt class laser weapon system. The combination of Stryker and laser, which the Army calls m-shorad, can down both drones and artillery such as mortars and rockets in flight. The 4 vehicles are known as Directed Energy Maneuver Short Range Air Defense, or m-shorad for short. Directed energy refers to the laser, maneuver refers to the fact that the laser is mounted on a mobile vehicle, and short-range air defense is the vehicle's officially designated mission. The rise of battlefield drones has been nothing short of astonishing. Battlefield drones are also following an unusual pattern. As they become more sophisticated and dangerous, they're also growing cheaper and easier to field in larger numbers. Countering them requires a weapon that can shoot them down both quickly and cheaply. m-shorad just might be that weapon. Another major capability of m-shorad is the ability to shoot down enemy artillery. For more than a century, the only way ground forces could respond to enemy rockets, mortars, and artillery shells was to dig in, move to another position, or attack the artillery directly. m-shorad, the Army claims, can now intercept those munitions in mid-flight, preventing them from landing among friendly troops. The Army has 4 m-shorad vehicles, but if the system works as planned, it will almost certainly buy dozens more. The service has nothing else like it for engaging enemy drones and artillery, and it has 10 combat divisions and several separate brigades and regiments to protect. The service says this summer's testing demonstrated the design characteristics and performance criteria established for the program, which is a major step toward fielding the system. The Directed Energy Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense m-shorad system is designed to shoot down not only drones, but also incoming artillery, which has been a vexing problem on the battlefield for hundreds of years. The Army is set to field the first 4 lasers, mounted to armored vehicles, sometime next year. The laser on m-shorad works by focusing an intense beam of laser light on a target. This beam is extremely hot, almost like a thinly focused flamethrower. A laser can burn the wings or rotors off of a flying drone, causing it to suffer structural failure and tumble to the ground. It can also destroy a drone by burning out the onboard circuitry, blinding any cameras human operators use to steer the drone, or in the case of drones that use fuel-based motors, cause the fuel to ignite, destroying the drone. The ability to shoot down enemy artillery projectiles over a battlefield is a capability no other army has ever fielded before. While technically possible, using expensive guided missiles to shoot down inexpensive unguided artillery rounds made battlefield deployment impractical. Israel's Iron Dome defense system uses $40,000 to $50,000 missiles to shoot down rockets that cost about $300 to $800 each. While this cost ratio is way out of whack, it's justified on the grounds that most of the enemy targets it defends are civilian, immobile, and there is no other way to protect them. The Army assigned the first 4 m-shorad vehicles to Delta Company, 4th Battalion, 60th Field Artillery Regiment, whose regimental motto is, "We rule the heavens." It's unclear how many more of the laser Stryker vehicles will follow, but after drone attacks that destroyed fully modern main battle tanks in both Ukraine and Israel, drone defense will be a top priority in the armies of NATO and the West. Over the weekend, a $500 drone carrying an $800 PG-7V anti-tank rocket successfully disabled a $4 million Merkava IV tank. It showed that, as much as one might want to chalk up Russian losses to sheer ineptitude, drones can neutralize the tanks of the most advanced professional armies. This is useful, considering drone attacks are one of the most urgent issues that the Army is currently facing. Small, fast, and capable of carrying a lethal payload, the drone threat has quickly escalated from jury-rigged hobbyist drones to military-grade weapons capable of autonomously engaging enemy troops. If you enjoy content like this, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this video because I appreciate all your support.